morning, guys. It's April 3rd, 8 a.m. We're getting up early. Take Shelby, that lazy bum, and Nico to the dog park. I think we're gonna go try to find a new dog park today. So stay tuned and we'll get some new dog park footage for you. Maybe we can go find a water park or something, let them go splashing for a little bit and before we give them a bath this weekend. Stay tuned. Alright, when you're getting ready to go to the dog park and you get that special request, gotta get that chorizo. She won't get up without it. Bunch of eggs. Got that bacon cooking. Just about done. Got the potatoes about ready to go. Got Nico up in here. Nico's like, yeah, it's some good stuff. Huh, Nico? And then, oh yeah, we'll put some good seasoning on it. Let's see. Put a little bit of, oh yeah, from California. Get some of that on there. You can't go wrong with this because people out here in Colorado, they don't know, but out in California, we be using this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. Be back with the finished product. Let you know how it tastes. All right, back up in the kitchen. Got Nico chilling over there. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, yeah. Done. Got the chorizo going right now, cooking up. Got some potato and bacon. Potato, bacon, and sausage. This one's going to be just with egg, and this one's going to have chorizo in it. Like I said, we put the fire in there. Oh yeah, that makes it taste good. Got that gorgeous view. Oh yeah. How we roll. Almost done. As soon as we get them wrapped up burritos, we'll let you know how they taste. Alright, finished product. Finished product. Eggs, bacon, sausage, potato, eggs, and chorizo with bacon and potatoes. That's how you make your women happy at home, boys. Make them breakfast so they can have some delicious burritos. Hi, Chubby Bill and Nico. What's up, boy? All right, we're all loaded up. Where are we going? We going to the dog park, guys? Dog park? Yes. Oh, I know you're always so excited. All right, catch you guys back when we're at the dog park. Did you find the mud? Hey, Nico. Come on. Go, you might as well go play it. You already did. Oh, geez, there goes Nico with the rest of them. Hey, what are you barking at? Go play. Go play, go get in the water.
What are you doing? Say hi. Oh, look it. He has Nico's collar on.
Oh, you got the same collar? Ah, boy. Let's go walk down more. Come on, let's go walk more.
Oh, no, sir.
Go play. Go play.